Recording.
Hi, this is T.H. Culhane for Porpoise Robotics, and today we're working on the Xbee Shield from SparkFun. We just got these in for the Porpoise Robotics program, and this kit contains an Xbee Shield, which mounts onto an Arduino. It contains two Xbee modules for being able to transmit and receive, and it doesn't matter which one you use, they're both transceivers. It has the Xbee Explorer board, which enables you to put the Xbee on and connect it to a USB port of your computer, and it contains some stackable headers, 6 and 8 pin, so that you can mount the shield onto the Arduino board. You do have to solder those on. And we've done that, and here is the Xbee Explorer with the Xbee module plugged into the red SparkFun Explorer board, connected to the USB port of the computer, and that is going to transmit whatever we type on the computer, so we don't have to use a wire to talk to our Arduino board, which we've put way over here. And the Arduino board, it's an Arduino Uno with the Xbee SparkFun Shield mounted on it, and then the Xbee module mounted on that. It's connected to a breadboard that has an RGB LED with three 330 ohm resistors that are connected to pins 9, 10, and 11 of the Arduino through the shield, and it's being powered by a 9-volt battery. And then, of course, you have the ground, which is going to the common ground of the RGB. And what we're doing with this is we're able then, using the sketch that came with it called Xbee Cable Replacement, if I take the serial monitor and I type an R in and hit enter, you can see over there that the light turns to red. If, on the other hand, I hit a G, it turns to green. I hit a B, it turns to blue. If I type RGB, it'll go red, green, blue. If I type R space, G space, then it goes red, and there's a pause. The space gives a pause. So if I go R space, G space, B space, R, you'll see it goes red, off, green, off, blue, off, red. And so if you look over here again, the neat thing is this means that we're now communicating, and whatever we send from the keyboard, R space, G space, B space, B, 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 G, 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 R, 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 R space, G space, B space, G space, G space, G space, when we hit enter, those commands are relayed to the board. And this is exciting because this means that we can talk to our Sea Sparrow boat connected to our Sea Perch, and we can start controlling the Sea Perch underwater from the Sea Sparrow remotely. So we can put the boat out with that board on the boat, send it out in the water, and then start talking to it. And instead of changing colors, RGB, we can say motor 1 on, motor 2 on, motor 3 on or off. And we can control the Sea Perch here. And just as you saw me controlling from the keyboard the colors of the light, we can say this is R, this is G, and this is B. And so motor 1, R, and we can change the letter. It doesn't have to be R. We can say motor 1 on, motor 1 off, motor 2 on, motor 2 off, motor 3 on, just as we're doing RGB. So without doing any fancy coding, we can just modify that RGB code to talk to 3 motors instead of 3 colors. And that's the exciting thing about using the Xbee Shield. Thanks to Brent Spencer for videotaping and for inventing the Sea Sparrow, and to David Grober and to Mark Volivar of Motion Picture Marine for the technical support in making this possible for all our students out there.